Thailand. We are on our first night here, walking somewhere nearby our hotel because they recommended us this food place or food market, which is Pratuna Market. So we're on our way there. Tesla. Gnarly. So we're on our way there. Change of plans for going to Platinum Mall because actually Food Ground is more of a night market instead of food. I mean, there's street food. I just found a random food store here that's still open because the mall is gonna close in like 15 minutes from now. Thank you. Bye. Ambot kung lami siya kay uhaw ko or lami siya. Okay, now the mango sticky rice. First pad thai of the week. Pero lang siya. Fix the spot. Hello everyone, welcome to Thailand. Sawasdee. And if you might notice, I am watching PBB right now just to feel a sense of home. I don't know what I'm talking about, but tomorrow we're going to officially start our vacation here in Thailand. And so let's look forward to what we're going to do, what we're going to shop, and what we're going to eat here. Yeah, expect a lot of mango sticky rice, milk tea, and shopping, because that's what we're gonna do. Good morning. Day 1 in Thailand. Get ready with me. Actually, I already got ready. I'm almost finished. And I was gonna attempt to do the lashes again, but they're not cooperating with me right now. So we're just gonna have to work with what we have. Anyways, I already did my blush. It's not seen in the camera. I don't know why. In the mirror, it looks visible. So I'm just gonna pretend that it does look. And how stupid am I to not bring a brush today? But I think we're just gonna buy brushes. With this vibe, it feels like I am vlogging for Vogue. Hey Vogue! And oily, and I don't want. You scared me! Also, we're in Pier 11. We're staying in Pier 11 Hotel. It's very near to famous malls that you would want to go to, like Platinum Mall. We walked to Platinum Mall yesterday. December's as well. December's is tabi lang pala. It's beside Platinum Mall. So everything is very easy access here. We're now going to curl our lashes and use the mascara that I overuse. And I just discovered it's combo partner. This, the remover. It's so easy to remove. And usually I just use oil remover to like remove it. But then I got to discover that and it was life-changing. It's a little trick. So that we can curl the lashes. We're in a Southeast Asian country with really good makeup, so expect a haul, guys. This is the final look. Bye! We are now in River City, Bangkok to eat breakfast here at the coffee club because that's the only open cafe as of now. It is 9:50 and usually stores here open at like 10 a.m. First pad ka fry. Wait lang. Wait, this looks good. are now going to take a boat ride to ICONSIAM. From River City to ICONSIAM, it costs 6 baht. The current of the water is really, really strong. That's our boat. The highest floor in ICONSIAM. From ICONSIAM, we are now on our way to Wat Arun.
Next.
just like the Philippines. So this is how we look now. Very sweaty and stinky. Kusog kaayo ang balod. How do you say that in English? The waves are so strong. To end our day, we are now in Asiatique to do a little bit more of shopping and eating because there are a lot of local boutiques here as well as restaurants that you can check out.